In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot forms to WordPress pages and posts. If you're looking to capture leads or gather information from your website visitors, integrating HubSpot forms into your WordPress site is an excellent way to streamline this process. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you not only understand how to do it, but also why it's important for your site's growth. First things first, you'll need to open HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the necessary features. Once you're in, head over to the trial guide. This is a valuable resource, packed with all the information you'll need to kick off your form building process. Think of it as your central hub for tips and tricks as you get started. Now, let's navigate to your homepage within HubSpot. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the marketplace. The marketplace is a treasure trove of extensions and integrations designed to make your HubSpot experience more powerful and versatile. Click on the marketplace option, and you'll be presented with a variety of applications and tools at your disposal. Next, you'll need to select the HubSpot marketplace from the options available. You'll find a search bar prominently displayed, and this is your gateway to finding the integration you need. Type WordPress into the search bar and select HubSpot for WordPress when it appears in the list. By doing this, you're essentially bridging the gap between your HubSpot account and your WordPress site, enabling seamless communication between the two. With HubSpot for WordPress selected, you'll be taken to the app information page. Here, you'll find details about the integration, including its features and benefits. Near the top of this page, you should see an Install button. Go ahead and click it to begin the installation process. The installation wizard that appears will guide you through the necessary steps. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully, as they will cover all the bases needed for a successful setup. Each prompt is designed to ensure that your integration is robust and ready to serve your needs without any hiccups. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated HubSpot forms into your WordPress site. This powerful combination not only enhances your data collection capabilities, but also simplifies how you manage that data. You're now equipped to capture valuable visitor information effortlessly, helping you to grow your business or blog with ease. We hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.